Let's be real. 2025 isn't just rolling in with fresh start energy and pretty cosmic metaphors. It's arriving in a world that feels like it's breaking apart while trying to rebuild itself. Economies are shifting, wars are raging, the planet screams through wildfires and floods. Systems cling to power or collapse entirely. This isn't just another turn of the calendar, it's really a threshold. Yet, amidst all the chaos, something ancient is pulsing beneath the surface. The year of the wood snake, with its themes of strategic formation, transformation, and adaptability, it converges with the guidance of Yoruba cosmology, the Orishas, deities who have always navigated humanity through upheaval. These traditions, although worlds and oceans apart, share a blueprint for this moment. In order to survive collapse, we must shed what no longer serves, and we must rebuild with precision. In Chinese astrology, the wood snake embodies calculated patience. It does not strike blindly. It waits, it observes, and acts only when the moment aligns with its purpose. Similarly, Yoruba cosmology offers a Susi, the hunter Orisha, who teaches us to move with focus, cutting through distractions to reclaim what is just. Meanwhile, ṣùmàrè, the rainbow serpent, mirrors the snake's transformative energy, coiling through cycles of destruction and creation. And when obstacles seem insurmountable, there is Ogun, the warrior of iron and innovation, who clears the path where none appears to exist. This is not mysticism. This is not escapism. This is a call to channel these forces into action. How do we, like the wood snake, shed the rot of outdated systems? How do we harness Ogun's grit and dismantle oppressive structures and forge equitable ones? How do we balance ṣùmàrè's acceptance of impermanence with Osusi's demand for accountability? The answer lies in the dance between strategy and spirit. The wood snake warns against haste, urging us to plan decades ahead, not quarters. ṣùmàrè reminds us that resilience means embracing change as inherently sacred, not chaotic. And when the weight of the world tempts us to despair, Ogun's legacy says, tools are waiting to be wielded, new roads are waiting to be carved. So, let 2025 be the year we stop romanticizing resilience as passive survival. Let it be the year we redefine it as communities building solar grids where power grids failed, as voters dismantling climate policy as fierce as the storms on their doorsteps, as artists and engineers collaborating not for profit but for repair. The snake's wisdom is not passive. It is the quiet before the strike. The Orishas do not watch from afar. They are the iron in our hands, the focus in our vision, the blueprint in our bones. This turning point asks for more than hope. It asks for Ori, the Yoruba concept of inner clarity and destiny. It asks for the snake's ruthless discernment. Merge the two, and we might just birth a world worthy of the fight. Much love.